Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing a couple unboxings. I've been meaning to get to them, guys, but I've been busy working on cars. So now that I got some time to do it, let's go ahead and do this one. I got two other ones that will be in a separate video as well. So let's see, which one is this? No charger. I think this one was like $4, if I remember right. It's, I think this one is going to be that, the GTE I ordered that was with Cricket. I can't remember. Yeah, it looks that Cricket fine. I think it was a ZTE anyways. I'm going to take a look. There we go. It's a UTStarcom. It doesn't have a battery, it looks like. I may have one, but I'll do an update on this. I'll probably do an update on all three of these together. So actually, it just looked kind of different. I kind of like the front of it, and it was like $5, so I said why not. It looks pretty cool. I kind of like the front of it. There you go. There's that. Like I said, I got a couple other more unboxings to do, so stay tuned for those. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.